Is your dealership leaving money on the table? Every year, thousands of dollars in bonuses are missed due to simple workflow errors. Fragmented workflows and delayed digital submissions are the silent killers of dealer incentives. But there's a fix. Today, we're showing you how to fix missed incentives and capture every single payout for 2026. Our solution? Xport is our cutting-edge in-house car dealer portal built for speed and digital precision. By automating your workflow, you can reduce manual workload by up to 80%, triggering better efficiency rebates. The secret lies in digital submission. When you use Xport's centralized portal, your payouts are processed in real time. The one-shot pack is your ultimate tool. It ensures every incentive is captured without delay. Simply follow our step-by-step checklist. Verify your sub-account, ensure document completeness, and stick to the digital workflow. Our multi-financier matching engine connects you to an average of 3.8 financiers for every single submission. Unlike other platforms with fixed rates or slow manual payouts, Xport offers dynamic financing access with quicker results. Xport's real-time payout tracking gives you full visibility and operational efficiency that others simply can't match. This is the future of automotive fintech, where intelligence meets action to drive your profitability. Our incentive structure follows the highest financial regulations, ensuring transparency and compliance for every deal. Remember, the efficiency rebate is awarded when you leverage our automation to handle the heavy lifting. Whether you're managing a single branch or a nationwide network, Xport scales with your business needs. Streamline your submissions with one-click finance applications. It's smarter financing by design. Visit xstar.sg today to accelerate your auto financing journey.